Okay, so what we do is we get some dried chilies, we break them in half and put them into a bottle, like that. Break them up, put them into the bottle, and fill the bottle probably about half full with chilies, and then fill it up with water. Leave it for a couple of weeks, and that becomes your chili spray. This is really nice kale. It's really nutritious and it's very tasty. It's Italian kale, Italian black kale from Tuscany. It's known as Nero di Toscana or Lacinato. Also dinosaur kale. Now what's happened, I've seen here that this leaf is folded. There's often a sign that there might be a start of aphids. So when I open it up, I see, yes indeed, we do have aphids inside. So what we're going to use, the chili spray that we made, and we're just going to spray it on like that. And we're just going to spray all the leaves a little bit, just in case some other guys happen to come up. When you're finished, just top up your bottle with water, shake it a few times, and leave it for another couple of weeks, and you can use it again.